Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add digital downloads to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Adding digital downloads to Shopify is same as you add your products, so all you need to do is simply head to your products and in here add a new product. And you can see we have title, description, status, active or draft, publishing. We have product type. You can type in here digital product in this section. So you can see we have media category. You can select in here digital as well. So everything is basically available in here. You can see digital sign, digital pianos, digital scales and everything. So eventually once you do that, click on save and your digital product is added onto your Shopify account. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.